Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Firefighting Simulator Ignite game, crashing, not launching, loading, black screen, low FPS or other issues on PC. So let's go through it. So the first method is to check system requirements of the game. So for that, go to Steam. In the search option, search for the game and then go below. Here you can find the system requirements to play the game on your PC. So make sure you have these requirements and then try to launch the game and check if it helps. Next is to restart PC as well as Steam. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option over here, then click on exit. After this, click on Windows icon or start option, then click on power, then select restart, and this will restart your system. After restarting, check if the problem is fixed. Next is to modify launch options. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, then under general here you need to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it works. If not, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the issue. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So for Steam users, launch Steam settings in-game and there you can find the overlay option. So simply go to Steam, click on Steam option over here, now click on settings. After that, go below, click on in-game and here enable the Steam overlay while in-game is enabled. Simply need to click on it to disable it. After disabling it, try to launch the game and check if it helps. For GeForce Experience, open GeForce Experience, tap on the gear icon beside username, click on general and from there switch off in-game overlay option. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay option. After this, check if the problem is fixed. Next is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to Windows search for Windows Defender Firewall. Now click on allow an app or feature, then click on change settings and then check if your game is listed over here. If not, click on allow another app, then go to the browse section and go to the game folder where it has been installed, add the game to the list and after that select your game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After doing this, launch the game and check if it helps. If not, next is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam. Now under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then go to the browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Now find the game application. After that, right click on the game application, click on properties, then select compatibility and here click on run this program as an administrator and then hit on apply and OK. After this, launch the game and check if it works. If not, click on run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7 and then hit on apply and OK. Or else click on disable full screen optimizations and then click on apply and OK, and after that try to launch the game and check if it works to fix the issue. Next is to update graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Now go below expand display adapters. Here select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will search if there is any update available for the drivers. After updating your driver, now launch the game and check if it helps to fix the issue. Nvidia and AMD users, go through the link I have already given in the description. Just open that link and update your drivers to the latest version and then check if it helps. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, then click on install files and here you need to click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, check if it has helped to fix the issue. Next solution is to close unnecessary background tasks. In that situation, you need to go to the search option, search for task manager. After that, go below and under process tab, search for those apps that is consuming high resources or is of no use. Simply select it. After selecting it, right click on it and click on end task. So this will close the app from the background. Once done, now check if it helps. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to search option, search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you should check if there is any update available. Simply click on check for updates option and update your Windows to the latest version. Now launch the game and see if it is working now. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. After that, here you need to add your game. If it's listed, well and good. Otherwise, click on add a desktop app, then go to the game folder and add your game to the list. After adding it, click on the arrow icon under GPU preference. You need to select high performance. After selecting high performance, now launch the game and see if it is working or not. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have provided the link in the description. Just copy it and paste it in your browser. Now go below, and from here you can download the Visual C++ files. Once you download, install it, and then try to launch the game and see if it is working now. If not, the last and final solution is to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, under Library section, select your game, right click on it, click on Manage, then click on Uninstall, and finally click on Uninstall option. So after uninstalling the game, now restart your system. After restarting, launch Steam and again reinstall the game that you are facing problem. After that, hopefully you can play the game without any further issue. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.